from your end my screen is visible or not. Today also actually I'm using one more server only, Jagdish server only. Okay. My data completely removed actually. From now onwards I'm using S4 HANA 2020. All my old data they removed. Anyway, we'll continue with the Jagdish only today also. So now you can able to see my screen now.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So first I'm giving the definition. Then after that we'll do the configuration. Okay.
Okay.
So today topic house bank. So the house bank of your company are the banks that your company has an account with a particular bank to process the payment. So through house bank only we are doing the payment for customer and vendor in SAP. Okay, so the house bank topic is very important. And once you create the house bank in SAP, we have to assign in the company code immediately. Okay. Then each company code can have multiple house bank. Multiple house bank means, for example, SBI, IDBI, Axis Bank, like that. I can keep multiple house bank in my company as per the business. And each house bank of a company code is represented by bank ID. Bank ID means like bank account number. So this is small definition for the house bank. So in the definition, you have any doubt? Please tell me. You have any doubt in the definition?
No, sir, got it.
You right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we go for this one. First configuration in the house bank, I have to create one bank account here. So now I'll go to FS00 and already he created some bank. For your understanding, I will create one more bank. Change the number. Hmm. 1 minute. Zero 5004. Enter. Select your bank accounts, balance sheet. Okay. Now I'm creating one more bank, Axis Bank. Update here also Axis Bank and go to control data. Select here only in balance local currency. Select here line item display. Short key I'm using now 001 posting date and the field status group I'm using here G005 bank accounts and click on save. So already you know how to create bank accounts. Just I'm giving you an example here. Like this, we have to create one house bank. Okay. So now your house bank is Axis Bank. And the second step, I have to define the house bank. The T code I'm using to define house bank FI12 is the T code. Go to FI12, update your company code here JLJL. Click on enter and I will go to new entries. And here my house bank right now Axis and where is your bank is located. I will update here IN and bank any 6 numeric character. See, for example, in the debit card backend actually we have CVV number 3 digit. You know that. Like that in live from the bank side they will give 6 numeric character here. So right now we are not working live server. I will give some number here and click on create option and here I have to update the bank address. Update your bank name Axis Bank and the country I'm choosing now. Sorry, region I'm choosing now Karnataka and the street where is your bank is located. I mentioned some address here. City Bangalore and where is your bank branch. That is also I mentioned now MG Road. Okay. So like this, you have to update your bank address. Click on enter and click on save. So up to this, you have any doubt? Please tell me. You have any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
Okay. So now double click on bank accounts and go to new entries and here your account ID. Where is you maintain the account? Axis Bank. Update here Axis Bank. And one more important point here, the business people they will use current account. You know that. So description update here current account and you give some number. Okay, bank account number as per the bank. And if you have one more alternative account number, you can give that number also here. And the currency I'm using INR and here GL. What GL you have to select here? Axis Bank account GL. So this is your house bank. Select your Axis Bank GL and click on save. So now data was set like this. You have to create the house bank. So which T code I'm creating the house bank? The T code is FI12. So on the next one, define number ranges for check. How to create the checkbook in the house bank? The T code I'm using for this /n FCHI is the T code. Okay, to create the checkbook in the house bank, enter now. Update your paying company code JLJL and your house bank right now Axis account also you are maintaining in Axis. Click on change option and click on create option and my overall checkbook is 100. My check number starts from 001 and ending with 100 and here short information. This is like current account checkbook. When I am processing the check from the bank side, I am updating the date 1/4/2021. So like this, you have to create the checkbook. Okay. Click on enter. So now you can see the check number start from 001 and ending with 100. Okay. Now click on save. See now you can see here check number has been saved. Like that, actually we have to create the checkbook. So which T code I'm using for checkbook? FCHI is the T code. So now again go to FS00, go to FS00 and go to bank accounts and here in Axis Bank go to create bank interest and here you have to assign the house bank now. So your house bank you know Axis and here also account ID Axis and select here relevant to cash flow. So when I am using relevant to cash flow, just I am giving the definition here. You can see here relevant to cash flow I am using for a bank account for bank charges, check clearing account for incoming payments. I'm using relevant to cash flow option. So right now I'm creating bank accounts here. So that is why I'm choosing here relevant to cash flow option. Okay. And click on save. So after this is new topic. So we'll create a new vendor. I'll go to XK01 and update your account group JLJL. Enter. Create company. I'll give some company name. How many vendors I created, I don't know. 1 minute. I'll give like for example Philips is my vendor and update the address, vendor address, update the postal code and the city Bangalore, country again and the region I'm using here 10, Karnataka. Enter, enter. So here reconciliation account you have to select your salary creditors and the short key I'm using here 012 vendor number and the cash management group I'm using now A1 domestic payment because my vendor is domestic vendor. I have to do domestic payment. Select here A1, enter, and the payment terms I'm selecting now 0001 immediate payment, and here you have to assign your house bank. Your house bank is Axis. Assign your house bank in the vendor master and click on save. So right now my vendor is Philips. Vendor has been created in the company called JLJ. See now I will do the posting. So for posting, you know the T code already. F-43. Update your document date and the posting date here, and select your vendor what you created right now. Philips. Enter now double time. Update some invoice amount, for example 10,000, and here narration being goods purchase from Philips, and here 40, and here you have to select now purchase account. Select your purchase, enter, update here star and plus, and go to document and simulate. So now how much you are purchasing through Philips? 10,000 now. Click on post. So after posting, you can see the document number was posted 259. So now I am clearing the payment. For clearing the payment, the T code you know F-53. Go to F-53 and update your document date and the posting date here, and type here full payment, and here select your Axis bank. Don't select any other bank. Select only Axis here. This is a house bank, and update the outstanding amount 10,000 full payment, and here I have to select my vendor. My vendor is Philips. Select through Philips, enter double time. See now you can see I'm clearing the payment 10,000 nullified, zero balance. Now click on post. So now document was posted. Now come to line item display FBL 1N. Click on cleared items. Select your vendor here Philips and execute now. So now you can see here Philips is showing green, means cleared. 10,000 nullified, zero balance. Okay. So up to this you have any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
It's cleared, right? See now
Yes.
this payment I cleared here in SAP. Okay. If I'm clearing here the payment here, don't think vendor they'll get the payment now immediately. From the bank only actually they'll do the payment for the vendor. Okay, finally in the business. See now this payment I'm planning to create like check. Through check actually I'm making the payment to the vendor right now. Okay. How to create the check in SAP? Creation of manual check. The T code I'm using here FCH5. So this is the payment document number. This is very important. 259. So now not 259. Sorry, actually the payment document number here Ulta is there. Okay. So this is the payment document number 161 KZ. Okay. So now I'll open one more screen, and here creation of manual check. The T code I'm using here /n FCH5 is the T code. Enter, and you will see the payment document number 161, and update your paying company code, fiscal year, your house bank you can see here, account ID, My check number starts from, you know the number, 001 is the check number. Enter. See, like this, actually, you have to fill up the check manually in live. So here you can see your payment document number, paying company code, fiscal year, which date you are making the payment, and the currency, your vendor address, everything. Here the system is picking automatically, but in live we have to fill everything manually. Like that, we have to create the check manually in Housebank. Okay. So now click on save. So now you can see here check JL 001 created manually. Okay, like this we have to create the manual check. So if you want to see the check now, after creating here, if you want to see the check, one more T code is the display of check register. The T code I'm using here FCH is the T code. Display of check register. Enter. Update your company code JL your house bank, you know, Axis Bank, and account ID also you maintain in Axis Bank, and click on execute. So now you can see here your bank name, your account number, check number, your payment document number, how much you are paid the amount, then your vendor details, everything. Okay, this is display of check. And here one more concept is the encashment date. I will tell you the meaning. You can see here encashment date. The T code I'm using for this FCH6. What is encashment date means? Based on the bank statement, check encash date is entered. We must specify the date on which check is debited in our bank account. This is like a bank clearing date we have to update here. Which date you are clearing the payment. Okay. Encash statement is very useful for bank reconciliation since it updates your bank balance. For the bank reconciliation purpose, I am using this one encashment date. Okay. Once you input or upload the encashment date, your check clearing account will be also updated, but no accounting document will be generated here. Okay, so finally, what I'm telling here, encashment date means the bank clearing date I have to update here in FCH6. So now, so which date actually I'm clearing the payment? The payment date is 1/5/2021. So go to /n FCH6 and update your paying company code, house, bank, account ID, check number here. Enter now. So your check clearing date, you know, the same date. Update here. Okay, then why I'm doing this step? I already told you the definition. For a bank reconciliation purpose, I have to update here encashment date and click on save. Now, if I go to again FCH, if I update here again your company code, house, bank, account ID, and click on execute now, you can see here encashment date is there. So this date actually I have to take the printout or I have to send the mail to the banker. Then bank people they'll come to know. So which date actually you are clearing the payment. Okay. You understand this? What I'm telling now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very important for
But I have one more doubt. Like we are first we are clearing in the books, then we are creating check numbers.
yeah, madam.
Correct.
Without check actually how will process checkbook we need no.
So everything will be in system.
Yeah, everything I'm creating manually here, but in live actually I'm using one concept is called a DME.
Okay.
Okay. Make notes that in the free time, no, search in Google, you will come
Okay.
to the topics DME. I have to connect the server SAP to bank
Mm-hmm.
how I'm connecting the server in live now. SAP to DME to bank, okay, and bank to vendor or customer. Like this only payment is happen.
And now it's clear. Yeah, yeah. Correct.
Okay, you know DME already.
Oh no, sir. For the first time, I am hearing. Maybe it's automatic process, as you told.
Correct. This DME and all actually from the bank actually I have to link the server. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
But
So
here,
file will be automatically
hmm, file
come
what?
here. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The DME, what I'm doing here, that payment document number I told you know here. That what is the document number? 161 is there, right? Here you can see my screen, right?
Yes. Payment number 161.
Uh,
Yeah.
this number I'm attaching the in the DME server. Then it
Mm-hmm.
will go to bank. From the bank only they will do the payment for vendor and customer. Simple. This is the process in life.
Okay.
See now. Now anyway you know. So you can see the encashment date here. Then after that I will tell you creation of void reason. Void. I will tell you what is the meaning for void reason. The T code for void reason /n FCHV is the T code. Go to FCHV. This is the reason. Okay, see for example, printed check is printed incorrectly, check is stolen, missing somewhere, repeated during printing in the ribbon actually while doing the printing now. In the printer inside actually we have ribbon under, black color, blue color, correct?
Yes.
Somewhere if you're facing the problem. So this is the area I'm creating the reason that is called a void reason. Then only bank people they'll come to know what is the problem in the check. So this is the area we are creating the reason, but already here reason is there. But in live what you have to do, you know already. You have to go to new entries. As per the business, we have to create the reason. Then after that, you have to click on save button. That is in live scenario. Okay, you got my point, right?
Okay. Yes.
After that, how to give cancellation check. Cancellation check means unissued check. So if you want to give cancellation check, the T code I'm using here /NFCH3 is the T code. Enter now. Update your paying company code, house bank account ID. I'm giving here the check number 001. Reason you can see here void reason. Why I'm giving the cancellation check? Just I'm giving the reason here printed incorrectly something. Select a 05 printed incorrectly and click on void. I'm getting one error here. Any idea why I'm getting this error? You can see the error, right?
Next number we need to use 002.
Yeah, why?
Because 001 already we used.
Correct. Now you understand the logic, right? Check number 01 already processed. You can't use that. That's why I'm showing the error. Update here 002. This is like one cancellation check. Why I'm giving? Here I mentioned the reason. Printed incorrectly. Okay. Now what I have to do next? Click on void. See now you can see here. Check 002 has been voided. So if you want to see again cancellation check, again go to the same ticket /NFCHN. Update your paying company code, house bank, and account ID. Click on execute. Now you can see here two check. Check number 001 and 002. This is cancellation check. This check already processed. So you understand up to this what I'm doing now, right?
Yes.
So if you want to delete the cancellation check in the screen, you can see now 002, right? So if you want to delete the check information in the screen, I'm using one more decoder, slash n FCHE is the decode. Delete check information. FCHE, enter, update your paying company code, house, bank, account ID, and which check number I'm deleting now, 002. Update the number and click on execute now. And you can see here, should the information be deleted? Yes. Select here yes. Now you can see here, check information 002 successfully deleted. Now close this. So now you can see here two check 001 002 and go to list and refresh. Not refresh here, no refresh button, right? So okay, come back from the screen and click on execute now. So now you can see only one check, not two check, right? So like this we can delete the check information. Simple. So this is house bank topics. All the T codes, what and all I'm doing now, all the T codes are very important in life. Okay.
Okay.
So see tomorrow, like we'll see two topics like international tax configuration and one more topic we can see TDS. Okay. So tomorrow also like I'm planning to take at 8:30. So my mother actually this week she will discharge in the hospital in Bangalore. Then after that next week I'm going to my native. So because of my personal actually necessary if I'm not taking the class now then problem for you only. In the tight situation also I'm taking the class now. From your end actually that cooperation is very important this time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, no, hospital and all actually I have to buy medicine something the doctor they'll call me morning 10:30 or 11 o'clock, right? So that's why in the tight situation I'm taking the class. If I'm giving 2 weeks leave, then gone case actually. That's why. Okay. So tomorrow 8:30. Tomorrow 8:30. From day after tomorrow onwards 9:30. 9:30 to 10:15 like that.
Okay,
Daily,
sir.
daily 1/2 hour is enough. Now also I'm taking see how many minutes are there? Only 28 minutes I'm taking the session, right? So end of the day, my target actually you have to understand the concept, you have to get the job in the market as soon as possible. Okay. So now someone sending the error yesterday night. I saw that. So can you share your screen? I will explain the error now.
Yes, sir. Sir, first I'll share because I
Yeah,
need to send my kit.
yeah. Please share one by one. I will check it.
Sir, actually, my this one I need to activate the server.
No,
I'm
why
getting
actually
this.
the screen is like this for you? Actually, I didn't
Yeah,
understand.
since from yesterday it was like this, sir. It's asking me the pop-up activation.
Now actually close this one, the down button, information screen. So you have to change the setting first because I'm getting confused here. Your screen is totally different.
No, sir. Since from yesterday only it was like this. Before it was good.
Okay, can you give me personally your this phone, your user ID and password for me?
Sure, sir.
Sir, my screen also is the same, sir.
Yeah, now I'll show you how to do the changes. Okay,
Okay.
if the call is recording, no, then you'll come to know.
Okay, okay. Sir, we need to send the this one, sir, ID and password.
Yeah, madam. IP address, user ID, password. You send me personally. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because if I'm telling something, so you can't understand immediately. Instead of that, from my end only, I'm doing now.
Okay, okay, sir, fine.
But actually, here, actually, I want to ask you one thing. Actually, every day you are attending the class, something you are learning some from my end. Your investment is workable now because all are invested money, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your investment workable or no use actually? Generally, I'm asking. Almost 4 weeks and worthable. Huh?
Worthable only.
Yes, worthable, sir.
Your 30 minutes we have to spend almost 1 hour, so that will make practice and all. It's very nice.
Correct. So this feedback is very important actually. That's why I'm asking us. Madam, actually, can you share your this one?
Sir, I'm
I-
sending.
Mm.
Sir, can I forward to your WhatsApp number?
Yeah, madam. WhatsApp number only. But last 1 week, actually, you're not getting any disturbance from my end, right? Some sound or something
Yes,
is
sir.
coming. It's very clear, right?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay. So stop sharing from your end. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now.
Fine.
Okay. So I want to check the IP address. So now you can able to see my screen, right? You can able to see my screen, or you are facing any issue?
No, sir, it's visible.
It's visible.
Okay. See now here, first I have to change the color. That is more option. Why I can't able to use now? Okay. Option. And what is this? Signature theme. And okay, so click on apply and okay. And now I have to log off. /n ex and again login. Yeah, now you can see the screen change, right?
Yes, sir.
Like this means I can understand easily. So now, 1, 2, 3. HOPE 1, 2, 3. After the second step, what I have to do? I have to do the changes here in FS Double. Now we are seeing only one screen.
Yes, sir.
Now settings, hierarchy display accounts in navigation tree, enter, enter, and again give /n ex, again login. HOPE at 1, 2, 3. to FS00 slash n FS00. So now you can see two screen now.
Yes, sir.
So where is the error actually? Which screen you are facing error?
Sir, here only, sir. When I'm creating the GL.
No, anyway, I told you, no. So first time if you are
Yes,
doing
yes.
practice,
Yes,
go to
when I'll practice and I'll do it, sir, again.
OBD4. Anyway, you know, correct? So what
Yes, sir,
is
I
your
know, sir.
chart of account? What is it?
RAY.
RAY. Why only 3 characters? I told you 4 characters, right? My chart of account is always 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see the bank account number and create the J. Anyway, you know how to do this.
I know, sir, this.
So your doubt is clear now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. What about any doubt is there, or we'll close the call? No doubt, huh?
No,
Sir,
sir, here I don't.
I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, then you share your screen. I will tell you actually.
Yeah.
I will stop sharing from my end.
Okay, sir.
You can leave the call actually if you have some work. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir, is my screen visible to you, sir?
But yes, visible. Written earnings account is not supported. For example, what is this? Written earnings account. I have to check first OB53. Go to OB53. Okay, so you assigned 101,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go to OBD4. Because I have to check one by one. Here you assigned OBD4. I have to check. /n OBD4. Yeah, so come down. Click on position, enter your chart of accounts here. So where is current liabilities? Yeah, so it is there 101,000 is there. Okay, no problem. Then next step I have to check the GL. So go to FS00. So first of all, here what I am telling you,
Yes.
I created bank accounts, purchase account. Where is direct expenses? Where is current liabilities?
No, I posted like purchase account data to a bank account like
No,
that.
see, madam, what I am telling now, first of all, you try to do practice what and all I am teaching first. After that, see, this and all, there is no logic. Purchase coming under accounts payable. Why you are doing practice in GL only?
Okay.
So, first you actually create one direct expenses, create one outstanding expenses, then after that, try to post the GL.
Okay, sir.
There is no GL only here. Direct expenses and outstanding expenses. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll create.
I told you one logic here. Month starting, I'm following expenses account debit to outstanding expenses account credit, right?
Yes.
Month end, I'm following outstanding expenses and debit to bank account credit, right?
Yeah.
So here there is no logic only. So try to create direct expenses and outstanding expenses and do the posting. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So apart from that, any error is there or error is resolved? Hello Deepa, actually you have to increase your volume actually. I can't able to hear you actually. Yeah. System error. System error and all you have to check with the previous
This I found out
and
actually.
technical.
It's 02. I didn't give countries. This was the error received.
Mhm. No, which screen actually you are facing the problem?
In F-02 while creating Fico Course.
Mm-hmm.
So that time this
While
error
doing the
was
posting, you are getting the error. Huh?
yes, like system
But
error
this
in
is not.
F-5.
Mm-hmm.
Then
This
I
is not
found out
actually.
like
Mm-hmm.
then I
Now,
found out in OX02 I didn't give country. Later it picked up.
okay. But it's showing system error. But what is the problem here? Actually, technical problem or what? Actually,
No, it wasn't a technical issue. It was like while creating company code, I haven't provided country like IN. That's the
that
reason.
is a.
Later it got resolved.
It's resolved. Huh?
Yes.
Oh, maybe actually, as per me, it's showing FI and TAX something is tax related, right? The T code actually I told you OY01. Go to OY01. OY01. Here actually it's showing the tax procedure. You are using offline server. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In OY01 slash N OY01. Update your country here position. Double click. See here the tax procedure, something different is there here. Maybe sometime like this also problem will come. See here, some procedure is there, right? You can see the procedure, correct? One tab is there, right? Procedure.
Yes.
This is tax procedure, but don't change anything now. But you posted already some documents, right?
Yes.
Sometime what happen, if something is missing here also system throw the error. And that's why I checked here. Procedure is there or not, but someone is assigned something. But anyway, no need to do any changes here. Okay. So apart from that, everything is okay now, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then if you're facing any issue, ask me and then I'll clarify your doubt. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. So thanks to everyone. So tomorrow morning, the same time 8:30, we'll connect the call. Okay. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.